We are at Pin Traders at Disney Springs. I'm gonna go take a look at the new FiGPiNs that are in stock. So we've got Mickey, Minnie, Steamboat Willie, Dale and Chip. And here is the Star Wars assortment. Maleficent, Mike Wazowski. The Child with R2. We have a Mandalorian. And then we have Orange Bird, Tinkerbell, Belle, and Figment. Again, the FiGPiNs are in stock here at Pin Traders at Disney Springs. And I'll just pan over here to some of the other new pins that they have in the display while I'm here. The Disney Arcade Toy Story pinball machine pin is amazing. All right, thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Try to bring new merchandise videos weekly, but since we were at Springs, I wanted to show everyone the FiGPiNs are in stock. Always remember, live in the magic.